Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power, disconnect the battery negative terminal, and wait 5 minutes so any stored charge dissipates. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove trim panels and visible screws using the correct Torx or Phillips bit. Make sure to label each fastener and connector so reassembly is direct. You want clear access to the instrument cluster quickly. A flashlight and trim tools let you pry clips without damage. This first step saves time and prevents broken tabs later. You now diagnose the cluster. Probe power and ground pins with a multimeter to find missing voltages and intermittent signals. Once identified, remove the cluster and inspect ribbon cables, connector pins, and solder joints for corrosion or crack traces. These are common failure points. If bulbs or LEDs are burned, replace them. If solder looks cracked, reflow joints carefully. Once repaired, bench test the cluster with a 12V supply or swap a known good unit to confirm. You finish by reconnecting all harnesses and securing the cluster back into place. Make sure connectors seat fully and screws go to their labeled locations. Once the dash is reassembled, reconnect the battery and perform key-on checks. Watch gauges sweep, indicator lamps illuminate, and confirm no new warnings appear. If something still acts up, scan for error codes and recheck ground integrity and connector continuity, because intermittent grounds often mimic failed modules. This troubleshooting tip usually finds lingering faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.